Hello, YouTube, and I got to tell you I'm not gonna film this weekend because Tyler's gonna be over. My stepbrother's gonna be over here because he don't like being on YouTube either because it's stupid, you know. I'm not gonna be filming this weekend. I might film Monday and I might be filming next weekend at my Nana's house because I'm off Thursday 14th. That's right, and I will show you how to make your own fart noises with a bottle. Alright, you have to stick those two fingers into the hole right here and squeeze it and that's how you do it. I need to chill. It's diet, okay? There's not carbs in here. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Da, 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 da. I'm Peter Griffin. My name is Peter Griffin. I'm here to have some fun time. Bum 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 bum. All right. So good. Well, people, got some few updates about the alarm systems. Back in a minute. Sound like, you know, it's an alarm system right here, like that. That's what happens. What it looks like. I'll show you how that does work. Okay. See? It's the door. If you let go, it beeps. That's how you do it. Alright, people. Thanks for the fart comprehension, and that's it. And see you tomorrow. Or see you next Thursday. Or Monday, whatever. See you later.